Hey, amazing teachers. You know that feeling when you give crystal clear instructions like turn to page 42 and write 3 sentences, and 2 seconds later, a student still asks, wait, what are we supposed to do? Here's the hack. After giving directions, pause for 3 full seconds. Not one, not two, three. That silence is pure teacher gold. It gives your words time to marinate, like a slow cooker for student brains, and it magically reduces the huh factor. Here's what it looks like in real life. You say, take out your notebooks and write down 3 things you learned today. Then you stop. Don't move, don't fill the space, don't start re explaining, just wait. Count in your head 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. That tiny pause is the reset button. Students shift from passive listening to actual doing. They realize, oh, he's serious. We're actually supposed to be working. And the best part, you didn't have to repeat yourself 12 times like a broken Spotify playlist. Pro tip, pair the pause with a teacher move, like making eye contact, slowly walking the room, or picking up a pen and writing quietly on the board. The silence plus action signals that it's time to focus, not time to keep talking. Try it tomorrow. You'll be amazed how 3 seconds of nothing does more than 3 minutes of nagging. And if you want more simple, high impact hacks like this, grab the CI Survival Kit, now with Ask a Story slides in French, German, and Spanish. It's classroom survival made easy. No extra prep and way fewer wait. What's that in your life?